Okay, Sir Robbie, I think we are going to rest. Yeah. Hey, wait! Wait, Simba, wait! Wait, Simba! What is it, Carter and Castley? We had a problem. We're starving with Leo. He's a baby dinosaur. He's a baby T-Rex with his dad named Tyrannosaurus Rex. Wow, he's so cooler than my dad. Well, we are both mightier, aren't we, Sir Robbie? Yes. Wow, awesome. Let's go buy. Let's go buy some food. Come on with us. Okay. Let's go. Be careful, Simba. Okay, Dad. La 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 la. Ah, a line. What does that line mean? That means you have to be patient, Simba. That's why the people, all the interments are going to the chef. Look, see? Wow, it's a brilliant chef. That's why he's friendly. Isn't he, Simba? Yes, awesome. Let's go, go, go. I love this. We're not yet starving, Dad. It's okay, son. Hello, welcome to buy. Okay. For a 20 pennies. Okay? Yes. I need $20 for that. Okay, $20. Cha-ching. Okay, do you want any food? Not yet. We're not starving. Oh, what is your name, baby T-Rex? My name is Leo. Call me Lay because it's the short of Leo. Oh, okay, Leo. Okay, Lay. You have to be patient when someone's here, okay? Okay. Dad, why we're not starving? That's why, son. That's why, son. It's not yet ready. We don't have food here. We don't have food. We have food in our house, okay? Okay. Bye. 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 La 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 la. Now it's our turn. Yay! Whee! Woo! 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 Yeah, let's go! Whoa! Whoa! Hello! Hello, Chef! Hello! What's your name, little lion cub? My name is Simba. Call me Simba. Call me Sim because it's short for Simba. See? Told you. Okay, Simba. Do you want something to eat? Yeah, we're starving. Yeah, and me. Do you want something? Okay. Yeah, I'll get the menu. Wait here. The menu.
You get the what? Menu?
Yeah, menu. Menu. Mommy.
Menu?
Here is the menu. I want fried chicken, please. Okay, fried chicken's coming up. Fried chicken is coming right up. Okay? Okay. Can I just wait? No long without playing. I'll give you a surprise. Oh, okay. Okay, wait here. Okay. What is he going to do something to me? He'll give you a surprise. He'll give you a surprise, Simba. Wow, I love surprises. And here's the surprise. Whoa, what is it? It's a unicycle. I don't think that's a unicycle. Me either. Okay, just get it up. Oh, okay. What does it look like? Just a minute. What does it look like? What does it look like, Simba? I don't know. Wow, awesome! That's the goodest unicycle. Wait, put in here. Woohoo! Whoa, whoa! Be careful, don't go in the hole. Woo! Whee! This is a powerful unicycle. Whee! Loop-a-loop!
Nagsuka ba si Kelsey?
Ha?
Parang may suka-suka sa banyo. Nagsuka ka?
Loop-a-loop!
Did you suka?
Nope, I didn't puke, Mommy and Daddy. Mommy, Daddy, I didn't puke. Yeah. Well, wee. This is fun. Yeah. Yeah, I know, okay? Okay. Wow, Simba caught a unicycle. I'm so glad at him. Okay? I'll make you some fried chicken. Okay, thank you. I want the fried chicken. We're starving, Mom. It's okay, Simba. That's not sardines. What is this? Is that a dinosaur? It is fried chicken, not a dinosaur, Simba. Oh, okay. Well, it's okay of this. I'm going to make it for you, okay, Simba? Okay. Get that chicken. But why is that chicken raw, Chef? Because it's not yet cooked. It is raw, not cooked. Raw means not cooked, okay? Oh, okay. But why did I said raw? Because it's a word of not cooked. Do I look spooky, Simba? Oh, yes, but do I look spooky too? Maybe. La la la. This raw chicken. Put him here in the oven and wait for it in 1 year. It is 100 It is 55 seconds, okay? Okay. 55 plus 50. 5 plus 50. 55. Yes, good. Good.
Nakita ko lang yun sa Facebook.
Dad, why we have to wait? Because you have to wait for 1 second.
That's big.
Oh, okay. I can't wait for this fried chicken. It's okay in 1 minute, Simba. Why? Because it's just 55 seconds. Remember what I said. Oh, okay. So this one is the best way ever. So this is a very busy day. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Cream cheese nila. Kaso, tabayan lang sila ng di-deliver.
Nom 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 Be careful, Simba. You have to chew only, not just gobble. Why? I gobbled. Do not gobble, Simba, because it's too dangerous, or you might get messy. Oh, okay. I might get messy for this, Dad? Yes. Okay. This video is sponsored by Zuru.
Si Grace pala hindi Grace ay isa sa
Beep.
kotse.
This video was sponsored by Zuru. Hello. 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 Son, wake up. There's a PJ here. See? There's a PJ. A PJ.
Sleepy?
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, son. Okay. I want to be with you when you work at night. You work at night? Yeah. Why? Because we're going to buy food. Oh, the chef cooked the food. What is it? Fried chicken. I smell it. Oh, okay. Well, I smell it too. Okay. Simba, wake up. Simba, wake up. It's morning. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Good morning, son. Good morning. Hey, come on, Castley, Carter, wake up. Huh? You woke us up. It's too early.
Carter or Connor?
Carter. It's too early. Rise and shine. Okay, fine. Let's go. Let's go to the store. Really? Yeah. It's so exciting. I'm so exciting. Me too. We're going to eat because we don't have food anymore.
So exciting.
No. It is Carter, Castley, and Simba, and Leo. Leo is the little T-Rex. So exciting. Okay, you are already excited. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're so excited. Okay. Let's go. Buy something.
Kanina?
Okay.
Meron tayong mga lihim na
Let's go.
sabay natin.
Whoa, it's morning. Good morning. It's a little burn. Turn off, tuk tuk tuk. Turn off, tuk tuk tuk. Now let's get the kitchen. Let's go get the chicken.
Ayan, 400 na lang.
And, ooh, so hot.
400.
Whoa. Beep. Ooh, oh, the chicken's so hot. So here you go. Here's the chicken. Here you go. Some chicken. Chicken is served. Oh, if there's bones, we have to cut it. Okay. Yay! Hey, wait. Hey, wait for us. Yeah, wait for us, okay? This looks delicious. I know. I know. Okay, I have a fork for you. Here you go. Okay, I have to cut it first. Why? Because there's bones. Ooh, that is a pizza cutter. That looks like a pizza cutter, not a chicken cutter. It is a chicken and it's just a chicken and pizza cutter. Awesome, I love it. Cut.